Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert different picture watermark in different pages in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert different picture watermark, different pages. Go to the third page. Then click right button on our mouse and select Insert section. Then go to the view menu, select the master pages option and go to insert menu, click picture. Then choose a picture from our file. Now I select this picture and insert it. Then resize the picture and move on the middle. Then go to the picture style menu, click picture section and increase the transparency 60%. Then click OK. Then go back the master pages menu, click add master page and click OK. Then again go back the insert menu, insert another picture. Now I select this picture and insert it. Then resize the picture and rotate the picture. Go to the picture format menu, click the transparency and increase this. Then click OK. Then go back again the master pages menu, click close master page. Then select the last two page and press shift on our keyboard to select this. Then click right button on our mouse. Go to the master pages section, select master page B. Then check the all page and we can see we insert different watermarks in different pages very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.